Every second, data centers worldwide burn enough electricity to power 100 homes. A reminder that the hidden engine behind digital life is anything but light. These silent, humming facilities are now the backbone of modern existence, consuming power on a scale we rarely acknowledge. Training a single AI can consume the same energy a neighborhood uses in an entire week, driving costs higher and pushing emissions into the sky. Behind every intelligent system we marvel at lies a massive surge of electricity we never actually see. America's data centers now draw more power than every TV in the country combined. 5% of the national grid dedicated solely to fueling algorithms. It's a staggering shift in how energy is spent in the digital age. These digital machines guzzle billions of gallons of water each year just to stay cool, even as droughts intensify across the world. In many regions, the very water needed for farms and homes is being redirected to keep servers from overheating. Each online search, text, or purchase feels small, but together they form a rising digital tide. Every single query adds more power demand, more water consumption, and more emissions that drift into the atmosphere. From deep fakes to weather alerts to online games, every digital advance adds new stress to our planet's electric grid, even as it pushes humanity to innovate faster than ever before. It's about more than data. Every click, every upgrade, every streaming binge carries a cost. Bigger energy bills, new water shortages, and unseen CO2 clouds expanding across the skyline. Training just one large language model can emit 500 tons of carbon, as much as driving a car non-stop for 2 straight years. The scale of this impact is almost invisible, yet impossible to ignore. AI progress is rapid. Every leap in machine intelligence brings an even bigger hunger for power and water, a demand curve that rises with every breakthrough. But smart breakthroughs also mean something hopeful. New models now need only half the power. Innovation, when guided well, becomes conservation. Upgrades alone have saved enough energy to power tens of thousands of homes. Proof that small intelligent code changes can ripple outward into global impact. Still, old machines linger, quietly draining watts and water, even as the world races toward more efficient systems. The past holds on, even when the future is ready. Every shortcut or smart answer you receive triggers dozens of servers, sometimes continents away. Behind the convenience sits water use and energy bills most people will never actually see. Globally, it all adds up. Billions of gallons of water, millions of megawatts of electricity, and towers of carbon released every single year. The footprint stretches far beyond what our eyes can track. The challenge is clear. How do we drive progress while keeping the planet's resources in balance? The answer will shape the future of technology and the future of life on Earth. Governments and tech leaders are now setting bold new standards, racing to make sure innovation moves hand in hand with climate action. From boardrooms to bedrooms, a new urgency is emerging. Shrink your digital footprint, save real-world resources. Use tech with intention, not excess. Water recycling, efficient cooling, carbon offsets. These aren't buzzwords. They're the new backbone of real digital progress. Tomorrow's cloud may run on sunlight and wind, 100% clean, fully renewable, and built for resilience in a warming world. Next-generation models use only a fraction of yesterday's energy, learning faster, working harder, and saving far more of the planet's power. Every choice matters. Ask for greener tech, real accountability, and cleaner systems, because your voice helps power the next era. Flip Eco Mode. When multiplied across millions of devices, these small switches create real kilowatt savings. No one fixes climate alone. It takes every home, every company, every nation, every one of us. Ambitious new goals, net zero targets, renewable standards, digital green codes are already resetting the global tech agenda. Lab breakthroughs are emerging fast. Cleaner chips, super efficient batteries, cooling that sips power instead of swallowing it. Bit by bit, the industry is being remade. The hardest step is changing habits. Real sustainability isn't always convenient, but it's where meaningful progress begins. Smart progress asks tough questions. Is this feature worth the cost? And what's the real impact? These are the decisions that determine the footprint of our digital future. Every breakthrough is a trade. Features for watts, speed for sustainability, convenience for climate. Balancing them defines responsible innovation. A shift is underway. Clean code, green data, mindful technology. This is becoming the new standard. Your next update, your next app, your next search could be powered by the wind, generated just down the road from where you live. Tomorrow's tech will use less energy, save more water, and leave the planet healthier for everyone. If we get this right, technology will power the future, not drain it. A new race is on for smarter, cleaner, fairer technology across the world. From home to moon base, every leap forward now depends on efficient energy. Solutions lie in smarter sharing, open standards, open data, and open minds. Today, we choose tomorrow resourcefulness, not just resources. Every byte, watt, and drop becomes part of the story we share, together. Our energy is finite. Our creativity is infinite.